some traders are going to hate what I'm about to say, but if you trade on a laptop every day, you might be sabotaging your own performance, and you probably don't even realize it. What I'm about to explain could save you thousands of dollars in slippage, misfills, and trading mistakes. And once you understand this, you'll never look at your trading computer the same way again. There's an ugly truth nobody wants to tell you about trading on a laptop. Most traders are setting themselves up for failure before they even place their first trade, and it has everything to do with the machine sitting on their desk right now. Picture this. You just got funded with $50,000 and you're ready to trade live markets. You've been studying charts for months. You've back-tested your strategy, and you know exactly when to enter and when to exit. The perfect setup appears, and you click buy. Your laptop hesitates, and your order fills 2 seconds later at a completely different price. That difference in price is called slippage, and it can turn a winning trade into instant damage. I know, 2 seconds doesn't sound like much in normal life, but in trading, it's everything. And that delay can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars because your computer couldn't keep up with the speed of modern markets. And here's a part most traders don't realize. If you actively trade while sitting at your desk every day, a desktop computer is almost always the better machine. Not because of preference, but because of physics. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why laptops struggle with trading workloads. I'll explain what actually causes lag, freezes, and delayed execution. And I'll show you when a laptop can work and what it must have to keep up. Let's start with the biggest hidden performance killer in laptops: heat. Heat is the problem, and more specifically, thermal throttling. This is where laptops silently lose performance when they need the speed the most. Inside a laptop, everything is packed into an extremely tight space. The processor, the graphics cards, the cooling, the power delivery, they're all squeezed together. That means heat builds up really quickly and it's got nowhere to escape. When temperatures rise, that system protects itself. It automatically slows the processor down to prevent damage. And that slowdown is called throttling, and it happens constantly in thin, portable machines. So even if your laptop advertises a fast processor, you often don't get the speed when it matters the most. Performance drops exactly when workloads increase, and trading platforms create sustained heavy workloads all day long. Now, desktops are totally different. They're built totally different. They have larger cases, massive airflow, bigger cooling systems, and more power delivery that allow the components to run at full performance continuously. That means stable speed instead of performance that fades under pressure. And in trading, consistency matters more than peak speed. You don't want a system that's fast for 5 minutes and then slows down when the markets get active. You want stable power that never blinks. Now think about what your computer is actually doing while you trade. Your platform is receiving live price feeds from multiple exchanges while charts update and indicators recalculate in real time. At the same time, your system is running background apps, news feeds, browsers, how many browser tabs you have open, antivirus, and dozens of other processes. That creates a massive computational load, and underpowered machines get overwhelmed very quickly. And overwhelmed machines create the exact problems traders hate most. Charts freeze during breakouts, order tickets lag when volatility spikes, platforms become unresponsive at the worst possible moment. If you're realizing right now that trading demands way more from your computer than most people think, you're not alone. And that's exactly why I created the complete guide to laptops for traders. It shows you the exact specs you need to avoid lag and slippage, and you can download it for free using the link that's in the description below. The heart of your computer is the processor. For smooth trading performance without delays, you need serious computational power. And for active traders, that means a processor benchmark score of at least 45,000 just to stay responsive. And many laptops, like 99% of the laptops out there, they don't reach that level. Even these expensive Ultrabooks you see, they prioritize battery life and portability over sustained performance. They look powerful on paper, but they struggle under real trading pressure. Memory is another major bottleneck. Many laptops ship with only 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, which disappears quickly when running multiple platforms and charts. And when your memory runs low, your system will slow dramatically and your execution responsiveness will suffer. Storage matters too. Some systems still use those old mechanical hard drives. That's a 70-year-old technology. Modern drives, something called NVMe solid-state drives, are dramatically faster and they eliminate data bottlenecks that slow trading performance. Graphics power matters now more than ever. Multi-monitor trading setups require real GPU capacity, and laptops usually run integrated, power-restricted mobile graphics. Desktops use full-power graphics cards that can handle more monitors more smoothly and more reliably. Modern trading platforms are also starting to use AI features for chart analysis, for order flow, and for automation. And that means having a strong NVIDIA RTX graphics card isn't just about monitors anymore. It's about future-proofing your system for AI-driven trading tools. And here's a huge long-term difference most traders overlook. Desktops can evolve with you through upgrades, while laptops are usually locked down. When performance becomes insufficient, people usually replace the laptop rather than upgrade. So here's a practical reality for serious active traders. Laptops are fine if you travel a lot or you trade lightly with minimal workload. But a desktop is truly recommended for daily trading, and it's essential for heavy multitasking and serious intraday activity. If you're a serious day trader and you're scalping, you want a desktop. Now, don't get me wrong, high-performance trading laptops absolutely exist today, and you've seen me make videos about them, but only if they're built correctly with the right components working together. And that means powerful processors, serious cooling, plenty of RAM, fast NVMe storage, and an AI trading-ready NVIDIA RTX graphics card. And if you don't want to research or configure anything yourself, we actually build trading laptops specifically designed for these types of workloads at Easy Trading Computers. They're engineered for sustained performance, proper cooling, even multiple monitor setups, and real trading conditions. And we currently have one available at a very special price. I've linked that in the description if you want to see the full specs. So here's the bottom line. Laptops are built for mobility, and desktops are built for sustained power. Trading rewards speed, stability, and consistency every single day, and an underpowered laptop will trigger stress, emotional reactions, and bad decisions. And emotional trading is where real losses begin. You probably know that already. Choose portability if you really need it, but choose sustained performance if you sit at a desk and you trade seriously most of the day. If this helped you understand the real difference, go ahead and slam that subscribe button and share this with another trader who needs to hear it. If you want to see what is the very best laptop for trading right now, you definitely want to watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you.